Hello everyone, it's Travis Taylor from Travis Taylor's Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Garrett Super Sluice Deluxe Kit. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did, and I waited patiently to get this. I hope you have a good day and be safe and well. First of all, I suppose we have to open the package. This just arrived today in the mail. And we have a really nice looking kit. It's from Garrett. Inside we should have 3 pans, a classifier, a sucker bottle, and a few other things. Let's open her up. Oh, first of all, we have Gold Panning Like a Pro with Freddie Dodge DVD. We have the Garrett Gravity Trap Gold Pan Kit sucker bottle. That's hopefully going to come in nice and handy. We have the How to Find Gold Metal Detecting and Panning book by Charles Garrett and Roy Legal. We have 2 small bottles and a magnifier and tweezers combo. We have the smaller 10-inch backpacker's pan with the 1/4-inch riffles as seen here. This is good for finishing your material. We have the 14-inch Gold Trap Garrett pan, a little smaller than the Super Sluice. Another good pan. We have the 1/4-inch classifier to get rid of your bigger, heavier rocks. Let the gold bearing rock go through into the next pan. This is exactly why I got this kit. This is the Garrett Super Sluice Gold Pan. It is a very high quality pan. It's 15 inches and it has 2 gold trapping riffles that are very deep. These are 1/2-inch riffles. Very, very good at catching the gold. Beautiful craftsmanship on this pan. Designed by Roy Legal and tested worldwide by Charles Garrett. Wet washing and dry washing. This is, again, like I said, the 15-inch model. And it gives you some tips on the back of how to use it. In later videos you'll see that in action by me. So overall, this is a great little kit, and it has everything you need to start panning for gold. I'm excited. Garrett Super Sluice Deluxe kit.